Hi everyone, Alejandro here with Autel Robotics. In this video, we will cover the Evo car charger. Welcome to the flight deck. Adventure further with the power to charge batteries directly from your car's 12-volt DC cigarette lighter socket. This intelligent charger is designed with under-voltage protection, ensuring your vehicle will also have enough voltage for starting, and overheating protection, which will automatically stop charging the battery if the temperature of the 12-volt DC socket becomes too hot. Let's take a look at the Evo car charger. We have the 12-volt DC socket, the charging brick with a built-in USB port, which will allow you to charge the remote controller or a mobile device at the same time, and then we have the connector for the Evo battery. Connect the charger to your car's 12-volt DC socket. You will see a red light indicator indicating that the car charger is now powered. If you want to charge your remote control, use a USB cable to connect to the charger. Now we can connect the aircraft battery to the charger. Remember, this charger provides under-voltage protection to protect you from having a dead battery in your vehicle. For the best charging performance, your vehicle's engine should be running. It can take up to 70 minutes for a full charge. This may vary slightly depending on the ambient temperature. If the battery does not begin to charge, it may be due to under-voltage or overheating protection. Keep these in mind when out in the field. Your aircraft's battery will provide LED status lights indicating the charging process. Once the battery is fully charged, the LED lights will turn off. Remember, the aircraft battery can be warmed directly after a flight. If you attempt to charge a warm battery, you may see the second LED light flash. This indicates that the battery needs to cool down before charging. Once you have finished charging, disconnect the car charger from the vehicle. Be careful not to touch the metal connectors on the DC plug, as they may have become hot during the charging process. That's all for now. So long from the flight deck.